The revolutionary Clear.It, a powerful drain opener and water jet for multiple household tasks. Clear.It attaches to most kitchen faucets. Installing Clear.It is easy. Once you have removed your existing aerator, you can attach the hose to your kitchen faucet with the provided aerator in a counterclockwise quarter turn. Both male and female threads are available to fit your specific faucet. Feed hose down your kitchen sink drain. Slowly turn on water and blast away clogs with the power of water. No harsh chemicals needed. Clear.It can be used for outdoor cleanup. Slide the adapter onto the Clear.It hose. Insert black garden hose washer. Thread the garden hose adapter onto the end of the garden hose. Slowly turn on the outside water and blast away dirt and grime. Once your house is sparkling clean, easily store Clear.It until your next DIY cleanup.